Those who got set 2 found this question a little tricky, and most of them said they had spent a lot of time solving this question. So we'll break this question down and see whether it's difficult or not. Look at the question. Find the cost per kg of each fertilizer A, B, and C such that the farmer needs to buy such that 1 kg of each of fertilizer A and C added to 2 kg of B costs him rupees 400. Now, we will take the cost of 1 kg of fertilizer A to be small a. So, fertilizer A 1 kg, let it be rupees A. And fertilizer B 1 kg, let it be rupees B. And fertilizer C 1 kg, let it be rupees C. Now, 1 kg of fertilizer A and C added to 2 kg of B. So that would mean 1A plus 1C plus 2 kg of B, that is equal to 400. So we need to rewrite this, the order of the variables, which we'll do it a little later. Also, the cost of each kg of fertilizer B and C added together is equal to the cost of 1 kg of fertilizer A. So this is where the tricky part is. The cost of each kg of fertilizer B and C. So B and C added together is equal to the cost of 1 kg of A. There is no constant in this statement, which means B plus C is equal to A. There is no other constant. However, the cost of 3 kg of fertilizer plus 200 is the same as the cost of 1 kg of fertilizer of A and C together. We need to refine these equations, use the matrix method to solve this question. Now, the equations become A plus B, rather A plus 2B plus C, that is equal to 400, and the second equation would be minus A plus B plus C, that is equal to 0, and the third equation becomes A plus C minus 3B, A minus 3B. I am taking this 3B to the other side. A minus 3B plus C is equal to 200. Now, if we convert this into the matrix form, it becomes 1, 2, and 1. And this one would be minus 1, 1, and then 1. This is 1, minus 3, and 1. Matrix close. A, B, and C, that is equal to 400, 0, and 200. This is A matrix, and this is X matrix, and this is B matrix. So X is equal to A inverse into B. I'm going to find the inverse of matrix A using the formula determinant of 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here the determinant of A would be equal to 1 into 1 minus of minus 3, which is 4, minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1, which is minus 2, plus 1 into 3 minus 1, which is 2. So determinant of A would be equal to 4 plus 2, which is equal to 10. The adjoint is nothing but the transpose of cofactor. To find the adjoint, we need to find the cofactor matrix. So A11, A12, A21, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. This is plus, minus, plus minus plus minus plus minus and plus. Now the first row is already done, so we have this. So 4 minus of minus 2, which is 4. So this is 4 here, and this is minus of minus 2. This is actually minus of minus 2, right? So this is 2. We need to find the other cofactor elements. A21 is 2 minus of minus 3, which is 5. 1 minus of minus 1, which is 0. Minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5. 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 minus of minus 1, which is 2. 1 minus of minus 2, which is 3. So A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A, the whole into the adjoint of A, which is 4 here. This is 4, this is minus 5, 1, and then 2, 0, and minus 2, 2, 5, and 3. So x is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is ready. B matrix is also ready. B matrix is the constant matrix, which is 400, 200, 400, 0, and 200. So x is equal to 4 into 400 plus 200, which is 600 by 10, which is 60. So in place of x, I'm going to write this as A. The next is B is equal to 2 into 400, 800 minus 400, which is 400. 400 by 10, which is 40. And C is equal to 800 plus 1000. 800 plus 600, which is 1000. So 1000 by 10, which is 100. I think this should have been 1600 plus 200, which is 1800 by 10, which is 180. And B should have been 800 minus 200, which is 600. I think this should have been different. So B should have been 800 minus 400 actually. 800 minus 400, which is, okay, this is correct. And this should have been 800 plus, this is 1400. Okay, this is 1400. So that is how you get this equation. B plus C is equal to A. B plus C is equal to A. So which means now we have all the necessary cost of each fertilizer. Use the matrix method to find the solution. Now the cost of 3 kg of fertilizer. Okay, I think that is part of the question. So we have found the cost of each fertilizer. So the cost of the first one, cost of the fertilizer type A is per kg cost of. So that would be rupees 180, and the cost of fertilizer B would be rupees 40, and the cost of fertilizer C would be rupees 1400. This is a necessary solution. I hope you would have understood. This is not a very tricky question per se, except for that second equation, which might seem a little difficult, but otherwise it's an easy question to solve. Just be a little cautious with the calculations and you'll be able to solve the question correctly.